Alright, here's Tails. And he's gonna go through that. One of our favorites, but that I'm better at. The drums. So this is what the heads of the drum kit look like. So my fault. Excuse me. We'll be right back. Alright, this is the drums kit. So 8573 is gonna go through the steps. We're gonna go through this is the foot pedal. Oh, excuse me. Hey, 7042, check it out. I got a robot arm. Tails, quit playing. Alright, here is the foot pedal. You just attach it to the drums right down there. So, we'll be right back and tell you what happens next. Alright, the drum kit has assembled. And I just got the size, just about where people wants it, and this is what the drum kit looks like. Right? Got the drums, the pedal, this is the pedal, the sticks, and there's the Xbox logo and the Xbox buttons and stuff. So I'm going to end that video right there. Make sure you leave a like and a comment and subscribe. Part 2 done.